second order derivative. 5 point. Second order derivative. Y is equal to fx. Differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx f dash, and this is first order derivative. Now in this exercise you have to again differentiate dy by dx. Dy by dx. So here you write d2y by dx square is equal to f double dash x. We also call dy by dx is y1 and dy by 2x d2y by dx square is y2. Now, question number first. Find the second order derivative d2y by dx square. Y is equal to, let it be y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now first order derivative dy by dx, x square का क्या हो जाएगा 2x, 3x का 3. Again differentiate with respect to x, so it is 2. Constant का 0. Take another question 3. Y is equal to x cos x. Now differentiate with respect to x. This is first order. Dy by dx is equal to first function into differentiate of second plus second into differentiate of first. Now rewrite again. Dy by dx is equal to minus x sin x plus cos x. This you take first, this you take. Again differentiate it. d2y by dx square is equal to minus bar first function into differentiate of sin ka cos x plus second into differentiate of first cos ka minus sin x. Now take minus inside, you will get minus x cos x minus sin x minus sin x. This will gives you minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. This is the answer. Question number 5. Y is equal to x cube log x. Now see, this is first function, this is second function. dy by dx is equal to first function into differentiate of second. Log का क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon x plus second into differentiate of first 3x square. Now this will cut. So you rewrite again dy by dx is equal to x square plus 3x square log x. This you take it in one bracket. This is first function, this is second function. Now d2y by dx square, differentiate of x square 2x plus 3 outside the bracket, first function into differentiate of second plus second into differentiate of first. Now d2y by dx square is equal to 2x plus this x cut, 3 goes inside the bracket, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into log x into 2x plus 6x, 3 to the 6, 6x log x. Now d2y by dx square is equal to 5x plus 6x log x. Question number 7. y is equal to e की पावर 6x cos 3x, e की पावर 6x cos 3x. This is first function, this is second function, e की पावर 6x. dy by dx, first function into differentiate of second, cos का क्या होएगा माइनस साइन 3x और 3x का क्या होएगा 3 प्लस सेकेंड cos 3x as it is and e की पावर 6x का क्या होगा e की पावर x का दोगा e की पावर x 6x और 6x का हो जाएगा 6. Now take e to the power 6x common. What is remaining here? Minus 3 sin 3x plus cos 3x and this 6. ये कॉमन हो गया. This and this take out common. Minus 3 sin x plus 6 cos 3x. Now again differentiate d2y by dx square. This is first function, this is second function. First function as it is, differentiate of second. इसको करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 3 minus 3 is in multiplication constant, keep as it is. sin 3x का क्या हो जाएगा cos 3x और 3x का क्या हो जाएगा into 3x का 3 plus 6 cos का क्या होगा minus sin 3x और 3x का क्या होगा 3. So this is first function into differentiate of second. अब क्या करेंगे plus second minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x into differentiate of first. First का क्या हो जाएगा 6 into e की पावर 6x. Again e की पावर 6x common. Take out common e की पावर 6x common. So 3 3 are 9 minus 9 cos 3x 6 3 are 18 और plus minus is minus 18 sin 3x minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x. Now cos 3x एक ये रहा और एक ये रहा. So minus 9 plus 6 minus 3 cos x e की पावर 6x minus 3 cos 3x minus 18 and minus 3 minus 21 sin 3x. This complete the solution. Question number 9. Question number 10 I will take. Y is equal to sin log x. Now what is dy by dx? Sin का क्या होता है cos log x. And what is the differentiation of x? Log x 1 upon x. Now what is dy by dx? Is equal to cos log x upon x. Now u upon v formula d2y by dx square, differentiate of denominator का square, differentiate denominator, differentiate of numerator, इसका differentiate ऊपर वाले का क्या होगा माइनस साइन log x और log x का 1 upon x माइनस डिनोमिनेटर माइनस न्यूमरेटर cos log x into differentiate of denominator into 1. Now this x and this x cancel out, so d2y by dx square is equal to minus sin log x minus cos log x upon x square. Question number 12. If cos inverse x y is equal to, if y is equal to cos inverse x, find d2y by dx square in terms of y alone. आंसर किस में आना चाहिए? y में. In terms of y alone. Now, what is the differentiation of cos inverse x dy by dx? You know, minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. This you write as को अपन ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, minus 1 minus x की power minus 1 by 2. Now use the property of x to the power n. तो ये n हो जाएगा. आंसर क्या होगा? d2y by dx square. Further differentiate, minus keep as it is, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by x square minus 1 by 2 n x n minus 1 होता है डिफरेंशियल x की पावर n का n x n minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus minus plus. So d2y by dx square is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by x. इसका फर्दर फिर करेंगे, x स्क्वायर का भी करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? माइनस x स्क्वायर का करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? माइनस 2x की आएगा. नाउ 1 minus x square minus 3 by 2 into minus 2x. These two cancel out. Now rewrite again, d2y by dx square is equal to minus x upon 1 minus, नीचे ले जाएंगे तो पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. Now this is the answer in terms of x. We have to convert into y. So here, from here we get x is equal to cos y. What is the value of x? Cos y. Put in 1. इसमें रख देंगे. Put in 1. Now see here, cos y, x की जगह क्या रखिए? Cos y. 1 minus cos square y की पावर 3 by 2. Now cos y upon 1 minus cos square y sin square y into 3 by 2. तो ये क्या हो गया? sin cube y हो गया. So d2y by dx square is equal to cos y upon sin cube y. cos upon sin एक हो जाएगा cot y और this minus continue. cot y और दूसरा हो जाएगा cosec square y. So this is the answer in terms of y. Question number 13. If y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, then prove करना है, शो करना है x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. So y2 means you have to do differentiate 2 times. So first we find y1 dy by dx. y1 इसका डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, 3 का cos का करेंगे क्या आएगा? माइनस साइन, इस cos का किया तो क्या आएगा? माइनस साइन log x अपॉन x प्लस 4 cos, साइन का किया cos log x upon x. Now take LCM x and cross multiply. We write is x y1 minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Now see here, again differentiate first function, second function. First function y1 का क्या होता है? y2. dy by dx का अपन क्या लिखते हैं d2y by dx square. So we write is y2 plus second into differentiate of first x का 1 minus 3 as it is sin का क्या हो जाएगा cos log x upon x plus 4 cos का क्या होएगा minus sin log x upon x. Now x y2 plus y1 take 1 upon x common and minus also common, so this is 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Now you see here what is the value of this? जो सर्कल क्या उसकी वैल्यू क्या है y है, राइट? x y2 plus y1 minus y upon x. Now cross multiply x square y2 x y1 minus y को इधर लेके जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा plus y is equal to 0. This we proved it. Question number 16. If e to the power y x plus 1 is equal to 1, प्रूव करना है या शो करना है d2y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Now how will you prove it? Either you take log on both sides, either you simplify, differentiate it, first function, second function. क्या करें? I take log on both sides, या differentiate first function or second function. So first function and second function. First function into differentiate of second, x का 1 हो जाएगा और 1 का 0 plus second x plus 1 differentiate of first e to the power y is e to the power y and y का dy by dx it is 0. So here it is e to the power y plus ये हो गया e to the power y x plus 1 dy by dx is equal to 0. Now see here, instead of this इसकी जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हैं 1 लिख सकते हैं. Instead of this you can write 1 e to the power y plus 1 dy by dx is equal to 0. Now again differentiate it. E to the power y is e to the power y dy by dx y का plus d2y by dx square is equal to 0. Now d to the power y dx square उसको ट्रांसपोज कर दो उस तरफ तो क्या हो जाएगा माइनस ey dy by dx. जब ये 1 हो गया इधर ये 1 हो गया तो इधर से ey की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ey. नाउ टेक आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ey होगा e to the power y minus dy by dx minus dy by dx. तो यहां माइनस रखेंगे यू कैन राइट इट हियर d2y by dx स्क्वायर इधर से ey की वैल्यू रखी माइनस dy by dx तो माइनस तो ऑलरेडी है फिर ये माइनस हो गया माइनस dy by dx फिर माइनस dy by dx. So minus minus plus you will get the required result d2y by dx square is equal to dy by dx का whole square. This is the required result. Two times first I put this 1, then from here you can put the value of minus ey e to the power y, you will get the required result.